so sad. Like, I don't know why I'm sad about the fact that the year is done, but I just feel like time is moving so fast. Like, the concept of time these days just does not make sense to me. It's crazy. But anyways, today's Friday and I am currently doing a little bit of laundry, and I'm like kind of fixing up my room, changing out my sheets and stuff. You guys might not really see me clean that much in vlogs anymore. Well, first of all, I haven't been vlogging like at home a lot, and also we got like a new person that comes in and cleans, so I'm kind of like doing just like the minimal stuff in between her visits right now. So yeah, and I washed my hair yesterday and I was gonna show you guys what I used and stuff, so let me get into that. I actually wanted to do like a separate vlog on like my skincare and my body care. Okay, so these are what I use in my hair. I've been using this for a very long time, this brand Aussie. I think I've been using Aussie from before I went natural, I believe. I think I used to use it when I had cream hair, but towards the end, like when my hair was transitioning from cream to natural, I think that's during the time that I started to use this, and I realized that both my cream hair and my natural hair really liked it. So I kind of stuck out with it over the past few years. I have tried other like shampoos and conditioners just to try them out and to see if there was anything else better for me on the market, but I always come back to this brand. So now I just get like the big bottles. This is like a very big bottle. I don't know if you guys can see the size, like it's very big. So I got these when I was in Canada, like this size. I don't think I've ever seen this size here in Jamaica. Usually they sell like the slimmer one, like the small one, and that's usually what I buy. But I think Fontana stocks this brand, so I probably need to check Fontana if they have this size and see what the price point is like, because I think that's also a factor, the price point and the size of the bottle, because hair care is really expensive and then the price points are a problem. But in terms of the Miracle Moist, they have different lines. So they have a Miracle Moist, they have Miracle Curls, and I think they now have a line called Miracle Coils. But to be honest, I've only used this one, the Miracle Moist and the Miracle Curls, and to me they're both the same. I don't know if I see a difference in between the two. I just feel like they both work, so whichever one I see, I just pick it up. I don't really care. But yeah, I use the shampoo and the conditioner. And I actually want to start using their other hair products, because I saw that they had like a leave-in, like a spray leave-in, and they had like some curl like gels and like moisturizers and stuff. And I've seen one of my friends use one of their products before and her hair looked really good. So I really want to try like the rest of their hair care line, because my hair loves this. Like, this is like crack cocaine to my hair. Okay, like my hair loves this shit. So yeah. I'm probably gonna order it on Amazon though, because I was looking on Amazon like up to yesterday to see if I could find like the other hair care products to try out. So if I do try them, I'll show you guys for sure. But yes, this is what I use in my hair for I think Diane, I hope that's how you pronounce the name. She asked me what I use in my hair in the comments a couple videos back, and this is what I use: shampoo and conditioner. In terms of like my wash and goes, I usually use the Kinky Curly. Is that the brand, Kinky Curly? The one that comes in like that clear bottle with like the pink design on it. That's what I use. If I don't have any in my house right now, but that's what my hair loves right now. My hair really loves the hair gel. The gel is what I use. I use Eco gel sometimes, but my hair does not like Eco. My hair tends to be very dry and stuff when I use the Eco, but the Kinky Coily makes my hair pretty moisturized while also being defined. So that's what I use. Yesterday, well, last night I made popcorn. Yeah. Oh, my mom got me this. She's so cute. I remember I sent her out to buy popcorn for me one time when she was going to the supermarket, and she got like the popcorn that's in the package, the Act 2 one, and she came back with this. I was so happy about it. But yeah, I made popcorn last night, but I made it from the seeds. I like to make my own popcorn from seeds. I think I've mentioned this in multiple vlogs, but you know. So this is what's left of what I made last night. So I'm about to, can you guys see? Yeah, I'm about to put it, yeah. I'm about to put the rest in here and store it so I can wash the pot. Can't trick me. Can't trick me. Me. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I sound like Meet the Mitchells. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I'm in half a tree. Guys, there's so much Christmas decorations. Can you guys see that? It's officially Christmas. There's so much Christmas decorations around, but we are currently heading to Starbucks in Half a Tree. We went to watch it. Why is he doing that? And then suppose them drop off now. What happened? Okay, so we're heading to Starbucks. The new Starbucks in Half a Tree. Mostly going because since I'm on the road, I want to get content, and it's cute, good spot to take an outfit picture. But yeah. Okay, so outfit. You know, you know, I always like my outfits, like whenever, Starbucks have Wi-Fi, I'm connected to Wi-Fi. If your outfit, I always like the outfits that are like the chill outfits that I put on, like the relaxed stuff is like always like my favorite outfits. I'm just saying. It is. Okay, ma'am. Mommy's done being my photographer. Eh? Wait, sir? Wait, sir? I can't pay you. Over there, so long. Let me say hi to somebody. Hi! Wanna be my vlog? Yeah, what were you saying now, ma'am? Yeah, I was saying that Mommy's done being my photographer. She was taking. Oh, can we go in here and look at shoes? I need shoes. Thank you. Sorry. Yeah, so I was saying Mommy's finished being my photographer because she always feels self-conscious whenever she has to take pictures of me in public, you know. That's true, Mommy? She always feels self-conscious, right? And I'm just like, Mommy, just take the picture. Like, I mean, you know, just tell the people that I'm a celebrity. They don't understand. Yeah? That's what I'm jokingly say. Just tell the people I'm a celebrity. It's okay. Just left the. Are we getting a Christmas tree? Good question. I was like, are we even decorating for Christmas? Are we even decorating for Christmas? Is the question. Because I don't know. We'll go upstairs. Where upstairs we're going?
Shoe store there somewhere.
Right there. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah. So I went to the shoe store. I really like that shoe store. They have really cute stuff.
Buy anything today, but the shoes are quality.
You bought it on some website. Come on to the way. Sorry.
Sorry.
Thank you.
How many years ago you buy that shoes?
Early in 16.
I don't remember.
You said.
Which one? Which store you want to go? This one, Electro World? What do you want to get? What do you want to get? They have tripods and a camcorder. Camcorder? Yeah, it's a camcorder. And they have tripods. Hey guys, ignore the hair because we did not lay the wig this morning. Okay. We just put a hat on. Let me just hide it. But I have a bump right here. You guys can't see, but I'm not gonna zoom in because my hair looks crazy. I'm back home. Oh, y'all can see my bag. I'm actually packing this bag for my my outfit for later. It's a vintage-ish Gucci bag. I don't wear this bag a lot. It's so cute. But yeah, I'm getting ready to go out. Well, ish. I'm supposed to go furniture shopping with a friend to help them kind of decorate them place. And then after that, I'm gonna meet up with Anika. We're supposed to be checking out this new Thai restaurant in Kingston, Mystic Thai. So I'm excited for that. See what that is like. And that's the plans for the rest of the day. I don't know what we're gonna do after the restaurant, so we will see how the day goes. So since I'm back home, I'm literally gonna spin around in like the next hour and leave out. So I'm gonna I was actually just figuring out like what my outfit's gonna be because I'm gonna go straight to the restaurant after furniture shopping. So I'm gonna dress up from now. So I was deciding on my outfit. I don't know, I packed my handbag already, as I said, because I want to bring this bag. I want to use like brown accessories, so brown glasses, brown bag, brown belt. I'm just deciding between wearing shorts or like a skirt, a jean skirt, mini skirt. So we'll see what the outfit is, but we don't know yet. So yeah, that's my Saturday, and I kind of hope that I don't want to come home too late, but I have my vlog to edit for tomorrow, so that's one thing. I haven't started editing yet, so I need to edit it so I can get it out a good time tomorrow. And yeah, so I'll see y'all when I'm heading back. Just got a drink from TGI, you know, based on coaxing from Abby. A joke. But yeah, I went furniture shopping, went to Mystic Thai. I keep saying Mystic Thai. Oh, Orchid Thai was great. And then I was at Kaya. No, we're at TGI. We're going back to Kaya after getting a drink, you know. And then I'm passing a very sexy looking Jeep right now. You know, can you see that? Oh my god, it's so sexy. I can't wait to have my van. Anyways, I had 2 drinks at Mystic at Orchid Time. So this is my 3rd drink of the day. You remember that TikTok is like, this is my 1st drink of the day. This is my name is, yeah. I'm Ashley and this is my 3rd drink. And if you know TGI drinks, I mean, I don't know if it's still the same, but back before they renovated, the drinks used to be super strong. So whenever I get a Long Island iced tea, at least for me, I could never finish it. I could never finish a Long Island.
One time I went there and I was supposed to go to a party. We were pre-gaming, bro. And
I just slit. 4?
No, 4.
How do you even? I can't even finish 1. Why would you do that to yourself?
There's one you don't feel nothing.
I mean, because you're just drunk.
Girl,
Just vibes.
I could not make it.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Thank god they put a lot of lime juice in here, so that's good.
I think that's probably what they're doing.
Before they never used to do that. They never used to do that. Your little squeal freaked me out. I was like, oh my god, it's about to hit the stomach. But yeah, TGI Long Island, not to be played with. I don't know if it's still the same though, is it? I feel like it's probably weaker. Hello people. I have eyeliner all over my eye. Watch it. See all them things? This is what I woke up and down all day today and look at my eye. Embarrassing. Watch it. Embarrassing. Girl, you're fine. At least you do have eyeliner. Guys, so I'm getting ready to leave. I'm getting ready to leave Kaya right now. My cab is here, but I'm waiting on Abby to get back. But it's basically like a little bit after 10, so I think I'm gonna end my night here. I'm just gonna go home and probably like catch up on some YouTube videos and ow, not them shutting off the lights on me. Like I'm gonna catch up on some YouTube videos, watch some series or something, and then go to bed. I am very tipsy. So yeah, and that's gonna be my day. And then tomorrow, I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do tomorrow yet. There are some plans that I could make, but they're all tentative. So we'll see what the vibe is tomorrow. Hi y'all. Supermarket to get cat food. Look at this bump on my face, guys. It's my fault still. I was extracting like a bunch of blackheads and stuff, and this one I guess wasn't done properly, so you know it's doing that. I also had a pimple patch on, but I took it off since I was coming on the road. So when I go back home, I'm gonna put back one over it, and it should go down by the next 2 days, and then it'll be fine. Yes, I need to treat my skin so that I don't get like a bunch of dark marks. See, I have some here already. Yeah, so they didn't have any wet food. I wanted to get like some wet friskies, but there was none. There was no wet food, and there was only like adult cat food. This was like the only kitten food that they had, which was like the Purina. So I just grabbed this. By the way, it's a boy, mom. The kitten is a boy. So we're gonna have to snip. snip. Gonna have to snip. Whether it was a boy or a girl. Anyways, if it was a boy or a girl, them would get snip anyways. Because if it's a girl, no kitten's not coming at this house, yeah. And if it's a man, you're not about to road to find no woman. So you were gonna get snip regardless. And I mean, with house cats, it's better to snip them. They kind of stay in and less likely to want to go out if they're snipped, you know. So yeah, and I saw a gondola inside with Angostura, so I just grabbed 3. I love Angostura. But yeah, it's similar to tea, but it's not it's more zesty than tea. But yeah, it's similar but not the same. So yes, y'all, we're heading back home. I'm gonna introduce you guys to my cat that I haven't shown, that mommy claimed we're not keeping, but anyway. So, I saw that they had litter box, the Arm and Hammer litter box. So I'm gonna need one of those and a box. Because waking up to put that cat outside in the morning is not fun, and 3 times a day. That's why you get a litter box, so they can use it freely. Yes, the litter box is free. That's what you're supposed to do. I haven't eaten anything. I was thinking about doing eggs, but I don't know. currently 9:05 a.m. I'm up early as in, like, you know, got out of bed, up and running, have my tea, my laptop's up, you know, like up and running, skincare done by 9 o'clock. Okay, I have a new acne mark right here, but it is currently December, what date it is, the 14th, I think. And I haven't really been putting out much vlogmas content. I thought I could keep up with vlogmas this year, but definitely not. So I'm just gonna put out content, you know, whenever. My cat's here to say hi. Say hi, Ollie. This is the first time you're telling them hi, you know. He's obsessed with like my hands, right? Because he always wants to play. So whenever I have my phone in my hand or my, ow, your teeth are so sharp. He's biting my hands right now. Be rude. Ollie, can you stop biting me, please? Say hi. Anyways, yeah. So I'm about to get started on work stuff. Ollie, can you chill out? Chill out. Okay. I'm actually thinking of making like a Instagram and TikTok for Ollie. There aren't a lot of like pet like influencer pages in. You're being hyperactive this morning. Why are you so hyper this morning? What's happening? He's so hyper today. Did mommy give you something? What did she feed you this morning? Oh my goodness. Anyways, he's run and gone off to find mommy. Mommy's like his bestie right now, I guess. But anyways, guys, we'll see what I get up to today, but I have a lot of work to do, so I'm gonna be writing my list of things to do, and then yeah, get into it. It's gonna be a long day. We are at AC Hotel right now. We're going. Oh, run yourself. We're going to a art show here that's happening here. We just got here. Oh, is this it? Oh, what's up? I was like, what's happening? Oh, yeah. So. Yeah, it's nice. Oh, I mean, huh? No, but the green one, I saw the white one though. Hi.
So this one's called Mango Kush. This one is called Direction. And in a way, this one is like a self-portrait. You know, so it's really a case of like just being in a new space in my life and just trying to figure out like a direction. Group of views here because that's where I grew up. And I'm maybe going to, because those actually are very simple. But I mean, the way it is possible.
got a package from this brand a couple days ago. I'm finally gonna unbox it. I wanted to unbox it properly so I could put it in my reel and on my stories. Ollie, can you chill out? Can you please chill out? Thank you. Stop biting my foot. It hurts, okay? Your teeth. Ow! He does not listen. Anyways, I'm gonna unbox this. Ollie, stop! Stop. Stop it. Yeah, I'm gonna unbox this. Okay, this is it, guys. This is it, guys. Why are you all up in my stuff? This is it. It smells so good. The packaging is really nice. Comes with So Ollie's vet just visited and he has his card now. I feel like such a proud pet owner. Anyways, he has his little vaccine deworming card. He got dewormed and tick treatment. Is like an all-in-one treatment thing that he got, and he's a healthy boy. He's now sleeping and he should get his vaccine like next month. So yeah, their cat vaccines now available in Jamaica, which is great. I love that for my cat. But yeah, he's sleeping now, so
All of the people that come from